Hi, I'm about to do a review for the new Rode Lavaliere.
I see.
2. And today we're gonna be talking about the Lavaliere 2. If you wanna win one, not of those, the AI Micro, go my other video because it's still open. Make sure that you follow the instructions because you can win one for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Rode, guys, come on. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. They didn't sponsor this video, but they did send this to me so I can try, test, and give you an honest review. We'll see. This one, it's a premium lavalier microphone with a high quality audio. Great for interviews, streaming, podcasts, vlogs, reporting, and content creators like us. One lavalier 2, one pop filter, one mic clip, one mini furry, 4 colored identification rings, and 1 zip wallet. Ooh, let's see. So that's it. Outside, clean. Oh, yes. Little details. Rode. Very strong, because on the other case I love this, but it's a little bit like soft, which is okay, but I feel like it's not gonna protect if I throw it in my backpack. Now it's the strong one. Woo! Nice. Oh, it's different. Coming with a bunch of little things. The one who said don't eat. As always, Lavaliere guy. I can tell already that this looks nice. Oh, can you imagine? Like I'm just opening right now. We are opening together. So this is the Lavaliere 2. Look at the mic in the front now. It does look smaller, more compact, for sure. Core feels nice, and this feels good too. I feel like the little weight here, it helps as well when people are gonna like, very good. Next, there we go. There's the pop filter, very smooth. There's the mic clip as well. Ooh, very tiny. That's nice. And there's more space here in between. Look at that. And go like next. Ooh, that's big. Looks like the one from Wireless Go 2. It's nice to protect the wind, right? Ha! It's not on. What else? There is this little color ID. Let's put the blue. Okay. That's pretty much it. As you can see, we have like both sides here. Very nice to keep like storage. So now we're gonna do some tests. Let's try the Wireless Go 2. Okay, so now we are on the Rode Wireless Go 2, and I just plugged the Lavaliere 2 as well. So let me know what you think. It's nice because I just put like one hand distance from my mouth and should be able to pick up everything around. You can speak in this direction, you can speak in this direction. Let me know in the comment down below. Here on my Wireless Go 2, I plug on my computer and it's minus 9 decibel. Minus 30, 27, minus 24, minus 21, minus 18, minus 15, no treatment, nothing. Minus 12, I'm gonna go leave minus 12 here. Sounds good for me here. And I'm gonna add some treatment as well. I wanna see if the audio is very, very good because it's super compact, very light. Can just plug on my camera and hey, can you speak in any direction and the quality is still the same. No limitations, no limitations. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today. Thanks again Rode for supporting this channel, and don't forget to watch this other video so you can win a Rode AI Micro, and I see you in the next video.